In this reaction, ferrous oxide reacts with aluminium to gives rise to aluminium oxide and iron. The type of above chemical reaction is displacement reaction. You can see in the above chart reactivity series. Aluminium has higher reactivity than iron. As aluminium is more reactive than iron, it displaces iron and forms aluminium oxide. Here, only a single displacement takes place between aluminium and iron. Hence, this is called as displacement reaction. Next, we can see fourth question. The metal that displaces copper from copper sulfate solution is option A mercury, option B gold, option C iron, option D silver. And the right answer is iron. Mercury, gold and platinum are below copper in the series, so cannot display it from its salt solution. Among the given metals, only iron can displace copper from its copper sulfate solution. This is because iron is present above copper in the metal activity series. The reaction is as follows. Fe plus CuSO4 gives rise to FeSO4 plus copper. The blue color of CuSO4 solution changes to dirty green of FeSO4. Thus, only iron can displace copper from its copper sulfate solution. Question number 5. The reactants that exchange ions by reacting with each other and form a precipitate among the following are option A barium chloride and sodium sulfate, option B aluminum oxide and hydrochloric acid, option C sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid, option D sodium oxide and carbon dioxide. And the right answer is barium chloride and sodium sulfate. The reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride is an endothermic reaction, which means it takes heat from its surrounding. When barium chloride and sodium sulfate, which leads to the formation of sodium chloride and barium sulfate. As a result of the above given reaction, a white color precipitate is formed due to the formation of barium sulfate. Sodium sulfate and barium chloride gives rise to barium sulfate with formation of sodium chloride. As the white precipitate formed is cool, the given reaction is inferred to be an endothermic reaction. This reaction is also an example of double displacement reaction, as two elements in the reactants are displacing each other.